Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the story is unavailable error on Instagram. Sometimes the reason you're seeing this is because the person who posted the story has deleted it. Try refreshing the page by swiping down on the story screen to see if the story reappears. If the story remains unavailable, it's possible the user has removed it or their account may no longer be active. If that's the case, there is nothing you can do. Another possibility is that the user has blocked you or restricted you from viewing their stories. To check, go to their profile and see if you can view their posts and profile normally. If you can't find their profile or see their posts, they may have blocked you, and that's why the story is unavailable. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can also cause this issue. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to ensure your connection is strong. Step 4. Clear Instagram's cache. Sometimes clearing the app's cache can fix this issue. On Android, go to your phone settings, tap Apps, select Instagram, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to clear any temporary bugs and that might be causing the error. If clearing the cache didn't work, try forcing quitting the app. Swipe up or double tap your home button to see the list of open apps, and swipe Instagram off the screen to close it. Then, reopen Instagram and try viewing the story again. If none of the previous steps worked, it's possible the story is no longer available for viewing due to expiration. But following these troubleshooting steps should help resolve the issue. And that's it! By following these steps, you can fix the story is unavailable error on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!